Oh, yeah? Liam, no. No. Stay out of the puddle. Ew. You dropped it in there. That's yucky. Shake it off. Shake it off. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Like a Polaroid. No, stay out of there, Liam. Yuck, 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 yuck. Okay, let's go. Come on, keep walking. Keep walking, Weston. Oh my God, another puddle. Puddle. Okay, let's go. Stay out of it. No, no, Liam. Let's go. Keep walking. Let's keep going. Oh, to the next one. Weston, I said stay out of it. Okay. Come on, Happy Feet. Come on. Come on, Liam. We're leaving. Goodbye. Come on. Liam, this way. Liam. Oh, God, he doesn't know which one to pick. This one or that one? This one or that one? Yeah, you threw it in there. That was your fault. Dee Dee. Come on, Weston, I want to go. This way. That's a flower you picked me, huh? Clover? Okay, this way. Come on, keep going. Liam, no. Let's go. Let's go. Liam. Oh, no, dirt. Yeah. Oh, you're not a very good listener, buddy. Come on. This way. We're going. We're going. Still going. Okay, let's go. No, not to the mud. Oh, my goodness. Such a copycat. Yeah, take that. Somebody's got to get their hands washed. We didn't make it very far. We got so distracted with every puddle. Oh, okay. Yeah.
This one and the big one. Again. Oh. Let's get more.
Well, this could take up some time, huh?
I got it.
Good job, Dee Dee. Good job.